It's weekend and it's deep explanation time, and today I have prepared for you another mind-blowing video. But before we are going to start, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So today's video is again a mind-blowing video. Fasten your seatbelt, put your seat in the right direction, yes, and now we are ready to take off. Number one, what I have prepared for you. New trading psychology video part, yes, where I talk about money. Yes, I will educate you properly on money because so many of you are not educated well. That is number one. The second thing what I have done here is, and that is a new playlist. It will be the Price Action Candlestick pattern playlist, and this playlist will be mind-blowing because I'm going to show you price action at its best, things which nobody else has ever shown you, yes, and also how you can make money with this kind of things which I'm telling you, because that what I'm telling you here are sure shots. Yes, they have a probability above 80%, but you need to apply you have to apply the rules which I'm telling you in this video. Yes, because that are those kind of patterns, yes, price action candlestick patterns, which are also used in the BOTT indicator, yes, the BOTT price action indicator. So it will blow your mind away, and now we are going to start immediately. And I have to say something for those one who have the IQ option payout limitation, because it's hitting more and more, get this kind of percentages payout limitation. And if you get this, send me an email with the subject IQ option. I know how you can get rid of it. Yes, because with this payout limitation, you cannot trade anymore. I have shown you this in the win rate simulator. You are going to lose money on the long run, and maybe on the super immediately at the beginning of the run. Yes, because with this payout, yes, you are not able to make money because you need a winning ratio which is over that what is possible. And then you will make at least break even. So stay away if you have the 30%, the 48%, or the 60% payout limitation, instead of trying to do trades with it because you are a junkie, a trading junkie. Yes, try to get rid of it by sending me an email with the subject IQ option to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Then for those one, because the BOTT indicator, yes, will still be available only for an exclusively small group, which are the early birds. I call them the early birds. Yes, they have those one who are those one who takes the opportunity. The BOTT price action indicator is making already some of my users of the BOTT indicator already money. Yes, that's really amazing. But like I told this, yes, it's not ready to get released for the public, because I want to get the feedback from those, yes, because I'm still in contact, and to improve it. And we will release next week, yes, an update where we add more and more of the BOTT price action concepts, and one of those one which we are adding, and or those one which are already added, that are this one which I'm explaining to you today, and that is the BOTT Sure Shot 11, the ES50, MS50. One of the most reliable price action candlestick patterns, and that will be about the new playlist, yes, where I'm going to show you things where nobody has shown you, yes, and I will open your eyes and your mind, and yes, and then you will make money. Woohoo! So, and then the next one, for those one who want to get the money back which they have lost, yes, before they had found my channel, yes, then send me an email with the subject investment recovery, yes, and then I will try to get your money back. But please be patient, it takes a lot of time because so many are using it. This service is for free, yes, and your account will not get blocked. Yes, and all this kind of stuff, and that is the reason why so many are using it. Yes, please be patient when you are contacting me with the subject investment recovery, because it takes time. Yes, it takes time. Don't expect from me that I can recover your money in 1 week. It's impossible, because I have a list of hundreds of users, yes, who want to get money back. There are also contacting guys who want only $50 back. Yes, that is also okay. Yes, but don't come with $7 or something like this, or $10. Yes, because that is really ridiculous. So then, for those one who want to get in the BOTT team, the applications are still opened, but you have to be patient because I have a lot of things running. Send me an email with the subject job to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who has any kind of suggestion for any kind of playlist or videos or whatever, send me an email with the subject suggestion to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who find any kind of copyright infringements of my content, yes, you can report them to me, yes, by sending me an email with the subject copyright and an explanation or a link to the social profile or to this kind of copyright infringement, and then if I can get rid of them, I will reward you with a money reward. So, and then for those one who want to join the BOTT Mentorship program, you can still do this, yes, but I told this already the last week, yes, the time is nearly over. So if you want to do this, send me an email with the subject BOTT Mentorship program. So I have to hurry a little bit because today I have to talk about a lot of stuff, and I don't have to lose the pass, because else it will become a 5-hour video. Okay, so the last week prediction. So yes, I have explained this last week. Yes, that will be most probably going down for sure. Yes, because we had this kind of reversal pattern. So look at this. First of all, we had this kind of exhaustion candle. Yes, we are still in a downtrend because you see here the desk cross. Yes, and then you see here, because we are in the consolidation area in this kind of ranging market, yes, we have here this kind of weak candlestick, which it has the same size upper and lower shadow. Yes, and after this, we gone in the direction of the major trend all the way down to this kind of range here. We are in this kind of ranging market. You see this here, that is really nice to see. And yes, and now obviously this candlestick has not broken out of this kind of box range. Yes, this ranging consolidation area, which I have marked. This was not a breakout also if it looks like this, yes, but it was not a breakout. So in this case, at the moment, there is not a lot to do apart from doing here call options or buy options from below, or put options or sell options from above. The same thing what I have told you last week. Yes, in this case, that is everything, because we are in this kind of consolidation area. But if a breakout should happen, the breakout will happen in the direction of the downwards direction, yes, in the downwards direction. So in this case, so please careful, don't do calls, yes, or buy options here, yes, because at the end, if it's going to break out now, yes, you would get obviously hit. So in this case, stay prepared, try to get a good entry point somewhere here above where the 50 is. And that would be okay, okay? So that was with this one. And now we are going to do the next stuff. And the next stuff will be, let me see what will be the next stuff. The next stuff will be the BOTT Price Money Winner. Yes, we do this fast. So the BOTT Price Money Winner, let me see who will win the money today. So if you want to win the money, comment below this video. So let's see, how many comments do we have? What the hell? 228? So much? Okay, 228. So let's see who will be the BOTT Price Money Winner. 228. Wow! Yes, I will start from above. 32. Congratulations, you are the BOTT Price Money Winner. So let me see. 32. Oh, yes. 32, I will do this fast. So, and then we have 32, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. San Subto, you are the BOTT Price Money Winner. Congratulations. Yes, I will contact you and then you have won the BOTT Price Money. So those one who want to win the BOTT Price Money too, you can simply comment below this video now. For those one who who do not know how to like, subscribe, or share my video. Yes, if you like this video, do a like. If you don't like this video, and today I was 6 already who do not like this, I don't like my video too. Yes, click the thumbs down button. For those one who want to do something for their Karma account, Universal Karma account, you can click here on share and share this with those kinds of people who could benefit from this kind of knowledge which I'm giving to you. Yes, and for those one who do not know how to subscribe, click the damn subscribe button now. Smash it, yes. And then if you do this, click also on the ling bell, yes. Here on the right, you see the chapters. For the chapters, you click here on the intro and then you can jump to that part what you want to see instead of going through everything. So then another thing. That was the BOTT Price Money Winner. Now I would like to do fast a little bit of celebration. So let me see. So I want to do some kind of celebration, and I have to announce something here. So those one who have, and we do this fast, those one who has answered my questions with the 3 things which are coming in your mind, you all of you who has answered this, send me an email with a screenshot, yes, of your comment, what you have answered me, what you think, what is coming in your mind when you think about me. You all will get money from me, yes. So send me an email with a screenshot of your comment, and after this you will get money from me, yes, because you are those one who I want support, because you are listening and you are taking action, because my videos will not help anybody if you are not listening, when you are not taking action after have you listened, yes. So in this case, those one who have done this, yes, and you know this, yes, then send me an email with a screenshot of your comment, and then I will give you money, yes, because I reward those one who take action. So let's go. Who, let me see here, I don't see this. So here, what do we have? C-Zone, I celebrate with you. I cannot read it. Okay, awesome video. I cannot read it because I have to do other stuff. I celebrate with you, C-Zone, but I have read this already. So then Steven here, Steve, also you, man, I celebrate with you, yes, and you see, you have done the 3 words, contact me, man, you will get money from me, yes, that is it. So the next one, Elkanah, I celebrate with you too. I cannot read this, what you have written, because I have to do some other stuff later. So then here, Benram, I celebrate with you too. So, who is here? Akash, I celebrate with you, man. So, Mitchell, I celebrate with you. Also you, Mitchell, you get money, man. Yes, you get money because you have done that, what I asked you for. Great, man. And then Abel, I celebrate with you too. So then Aquil, I celebrate with you. Yes. Cindy, I celebrate with you too. Yes, also you are getting money. Yes, I see this. So then Usman, I celebrate with you. Serene, I celebrate with you. Great, great. And Marinos, I celebrate with you. And also you, Marinos, you have made money. Woohoo. So, and then Bharat, I celebrate with you too. Then we have Extreme, I celebrate with you. And then the last one, that was it? No, Eranga, I celebrate with you too, man. So, and the last one was motivational videos. Woohoo indicator. I have been waiting from 1 year. Please select me for getting the indicator. The indicator will be only for exclusively small group, but you can get into this group through the lottery. Yes, by sending me an email with the subject BOTT indicator, yes, to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Okay, so that was this one. Yes, and now what are we going to do now? Now we are going to the topic. Yes, because I have so much prepared for you, and we have to go through this really fast because the end part will be this time a little bit longer. I'm going to show you the price action candlestick pattern. Yes, the BOTT Sure Shot 11, yes, which is used in the BOTT Price Action indicator, because I got so many questions. So for those one, yes, who don't know how to contact me, you can find me on Google. You search for Google, boturbotrader. Here you find also the early version of the BOTT Price Action Guide. You can download it here for free. Yes, and obviously here on the right side you find the panel with all my social media. Contact me only on those kind of social medias or through my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. But please be patient, yes, because I get more than 200 emails every day. Yes, more than 200 emails every day. This is a lot of stuff, and most of them cannot be answered only with one sentence. So in this case, please be patient. I will answer you, I will reply to you, yes, but it takes time. The same thing is valid for the social media accounts. The other way to contact me is through the community page. Here on the right side, you have again the social medias. And then here on the community page you see also the stuff about the BOTT indicator and other stuff in there's a background information, the BOTT price money winner and all those kind of stuff. Here you see also those kind of concepts, the ES50, yes, and the MS50, which is used in the BOTT price action indicator, yes, and you see, yes, the indicator is pretty accurate, yes, 5 in the money or 8 in the money in the raw is not so rare. Yes, it will happen. But anyway, yes, you have to understand it's still an indicator, and sometimes obviously also the indicator is wrong, but it shows you exactly those kind of BOTT price action concepts which I'm teaching you. And today I'm going to educate you properly, yes, how to use this kind of stuff and how you can use it without having the BOTT price action indicator. Yes, because I have nothing to hide, and the best thing is here again, yes, that this stuff what I'm teaching you, nobody is going to teach you, because they are all kind of scammers. So now I'm going to show you that what we are going to do. I have explained everything. You click here on the about page, and on the about page you can click here on the low. You can click here on view email address, and then you click on submit. I'm not a robot, submit, yes, and then you click here on submit, and then you have my email address. That is the best way to contact me, but please be patient when you are going to do this. So then for those one who don't know where to start, because I get this question again and again, because those one who do not know how to start, yes, they don't know, yes, that they don't even have seen not even one video, yes, but they don't know how to start, but they have not ever seen a video. So if you don't know how to start, I tell you how to start. You start watching a video, simply watching any video, yes, or you go through on videos, and then you click here on play all, or you have a preferences, and then you can choose through the most popular one, yes, or the first added one, or the last added one, and then you go through it and you click play all, and more you watch, better it is. That is where you start. You start by starting, yes. What kind of question is this? Where do I start? You start, man. Yes, it doesn't matter where, because those one who are asking for where, they have in mind a shortcut. And if you are searching for a shortcut, I can promise you, you will get this scammed somewhere. Yes, because there are no shortcuts. You have to put effort into it, yes, to learn this trading skill. I will explain this in the trading psychology part in a few minutes. So then the next one, for those one who don't know on which are the best playlists, this is also the question, because those one who are asking me which is the best playlist, that are those one who want to and are looking for a shortcut too. All those playlists are good. Important is that you go through them and that you watch them. The best one are the price action trading playlist, the binary options playlist, the deep explanation price action playlist, and the highest probability trading setups playlist, that is the BOTT Sure Shots. That are the best ones, and obviously the trade schools are also good, yes, and the other ones are all good, yes, because and those ones, the last ones that are really those ones who are really deep in the stuff, who know the BOTT price action concepts, yes, and that's it. And then the trading psychology, yes, which I'm doing already for more than 1.5 years, yes, that is the mind-blowing stuff anyway, because that will shift your mindset in the direction to become a consistently profitable trader. Because most of those kind of fake gurus, yes, nobody is naming psychology, not even once. Yes, why? Because they want that you're gonna lose money. Because they know if they educate you on the psychology part, yes, most probably you would hit something, yes, and you would make money. Yes, because it's all a question about the psychology. So, and also the BOTT price action indicator cannot help you if you have not the mindset apart, yes, in the right position. Because at the end, that is always the same stuff. I have explained this in the scarcity mindset loop and in the abundance mindset loop. It's really important that you have your mind at the place. Okay, and I educate you this in the trading psychology, and today I'm going to show you this also in this part, but it will be fast. So then for those one who don't know where to find the BOTT price action guide, you find the link in the description. I will make it really fast. In the description you find the link to the BOTT price action guide. The BOTT price action guide contains only illustrations, has no explanations. For those one, here is the Holy Grail. That is the BOTT Price Action Bible. You find the link in the description too. The BOTT Price Action Bible contains illustration and explanations. This is the Holy Grail. This book will make you money if you study it and when you apply the things which are explained there. But you need to read it. You need to read it and to get it in your head, okay? Because this book, what you don't read, will not help you. And the BOTT Price Action Bible is going to make you money for sure if you read it. Then for those one who don't know how to apply the stuff which is explained in the BOTT Price Action Bible, yes, that are the video packs. The video packs are showing you exactly, based on the trades of my students, yes, what kind of mistakes they have done, what kind of good trades they have done, yes, and there I explained everything. So that you can benefit from their mistakes and from their good trades to earn and learn, okay? So then, Video Pack 1 for the beginner, Video Pack 2 for the medium one, Video Pack 3 for the advanced ones, and Video Pack 4 for the nearly pros. You find the link in the description, and if you don't find the other ones, you can click here. Yes, here are there. You can click here. The other ones are below as similar ones. So, and then for those ones, the last chance, get into the BOTT Mentorship program. If you want to get educated by me, you find no link in the description. You have to send me an email with the subject boturbotrader. With a subject BOTT Mentorship program. And then send this, and then you have to go through the application process. Yes, and when you get through the application process and you don't get rejected by me, yes, then you are allowed to join the BOTT Mentorship program and to get, yes, educated properly by me. Yes, the godfather of price action, godfather of binary options, and candlestick psychology. And today I'm going to show you, yes, that I'm really the godfather, because with this BOTT Sure Shot 11, yes, I'm blowing your mind away. So, that was this one, and now we are going immediately and dive into the first topic, and that is the trading psychology part. The trading psychology part, this time I have prepared this one here for you. So let's go. And I tell you something, everything is piling up on itself. Yes, everything is piling up on the previous one. So go through all the trading psychology videos. They are super important. Yes, you need to shift your mind in the direction of a consistently profitable trader, and that is not only by gaining knowledge and candlestick patterns and techniques. You have to understand that you have the right mindset, because I have explained this already. You need trading is not only a lifestyle, it's a business. Yes, it's a business. You need to handle your trading career, yes, like a business. Yes, and I'm my own boss. Yes, I'm my own boss, but I'm really the worst boss you could ever imagine to myself. Yes, I'm the worst boss to myself. I'm always treating myself like really shit. Yes, and I'm doing things which nobody else would doing for anybody, and because I'm doing this for me, but you have to do this for your own. So let's go. Let's see what I have prepared for you. So where do we are? Here, somewhere here. Let me see. That was this one here. Here we have this kind of stuff about problem solving. Yes, really important. The 3 keys to success. Problem solving. So, and then we have here money invested, time invested, and in yourself invested. Also, this one was mind-blowing. That was last week. And today we have this one. How to become a consistently profitable trader by reverse engineering money. Because most of you, and that is what I get every day, also emails from people, yes, who tell me that they have no money, that they are poor, that they want money from me, that they want that I help them, and all this kind of stuff. So, and there's always the same stuff. And also those one who are telling me, Benjamin, I want to become a trader. Yes, I want to let down my work, and I want to become a full-time trader. What should I do? Yes. So, and the thing is this, most of the time people think really, yes, they can do something, leaving a job and then earning money through trading. And the reality is mostly like this, that they do not see this realistic, because trading is like every other business. Yes, in any other kind of business which you are doing, when you are gaining to any kind of business, not a job, when you're doing a business, you don't know when you are getting the first time paid. And that is the same thing on trading. On trading, you have first of all a nice learning curve, yes, till you get to the point where you can live from it. So don't let your get out of job, yes, only to become now a trader. So what is money? Money is the current circulating medium of exchange in form of coins, banknotes, the assets, properties, or resources owned by someone or something, wealth. So now, the thing is this, most of you have the wrong mindset. Yes, they think that getting money is something where you should have luck for. Yes, because that is the reason why they go and they gamble, yes, in the casinos, or why they go playing lottery tickets. Yes, they think, they hope that they will be the winner. The same thing I read also in my comments. I hope I win the BOTT prize money. Yes, I hope that I win the BOTT prize money. I tell you something, hope is not a strategy here. Hope is not a strategy. And the reason why you are or you will stay poor is hope. Yes, because those one who are hoping are not taking action. Yes, because they think somebody will come and help them. Yes, that is not the reality. The point is this, if you don't have money, to get money, yes, that is because of reverse engineering, you need first of all to take action. That is number one. The second thing is also if you would get money, yes, this problem is there is a reason why you are struggling with money, yes, that means you have bad money habits. That means that is what I have explained in one of my latest videos where I talked about the 4 jobs of money, yes, spending, saving, investing and donating. You are only in the first job, yes, and that is a spender job. That is the reason why you are struggling with money. And then this less of money that I have explained in the mindset part about the scarcity loop mindset. Because you have so less money, you are doing bad choices with money. That is this, yes, and that's the reason why you struggle. That is the root. That's the root of the evil. That's the root why you are struggling with money. Yes, because you have less money, you are struggling because you are doing bad choices. So that is not. You have to understand this. Then the second thing is, money doesn't go to those who need it, because everybody needs money. Everybody of us need money, yes, because money is essential. But money don't goes to those one who are needy. Yes, money goes to those one who deserve it. And what does it mean, deserving? Deserving means you have to take action, effort. And I tell you something. Ask yourself, because or maybe a lot of you got scammed. Why did you got scammed? You got scammed most of the time because you want something without putting effort into it. That's the problem. That's the reason why you got scammed, because you want something, for example money, for doing nothing. And that is the reason why you got scammed. And that is the reason why you have to think about this. Yes, money goes to those one who deserve it, not who need it. Yes, I need money. I need money. No, to those one who deserve it. Move your okay. So when you have no money and you want to become a trader and you want to make money, the thing is, the problem is this, yes, without money you cannot trade, because this is what an investor is. An investor put in money, yes, to get money out of it. That means you need to find a job. To find a job means take action and find a job, because that is obviously the stuff. Yes, everybody tells me always, yes, here are no jobs. Yes, here is nothing. The thing is this, in your country there are other guys who are working or other girls who are working, yes, then there are also jobs. You are sitting on your ass and don't doing anything. So get a job. If you find this job, yes, if you find a job, then it starts to get an income, because I have explained this in one of my other candlestick psychology, not candlestick, but trading psychology videos, where I talked about the comfort zone. Yes, and I talk about also about the income, and I tell you, your comfort zone defines your income zone. Yes, income zone. That means if you are so too comfortable, that means your income is similar, nothing. Yes, because you need to move. You have to move. Income is money an individual or business receives, usually in exchange for providing a good service, skill, or through investing capital. So we are this one. We are through skill and investing capital. That is what we are as traders, okay? That is what income would be. We put in money and our skill to get money out of it. But your comfort zone defines your income zone. That means when you are not stretching your comfort zone, I have shown you this in the trading psychology video, you can go to watch it, yes, then you will not grow. And if you don't grow, yes, then your income will not grow too, because it's all related to you. That what you are earning depends from your in which kind of bubble you are, okay? So what do you have to do? When you have an income, that what you do is a side hustle, yes, and add skills to your personality. Learning English, yes, learning trading, yes, doing whatever, yes. That is what you have to do on the side hustle. Apart from that, what you do. What do you think what I have done? Yes, I have done this, what I have accumulated on knowledge and all this kind of stuff, yes, and practice and all this kind of stuff. I have done on the side hustle. On the side hustle. And then you have to add skills to yourself. Yes, that is the reason why I have explained this here on the last video, that you have to invest in yourself. That is the most important one, because if you don't grow as a personality, as a person, yes, you will not gain the skills, you will not become a trader. I tell you this immediately. So when you have done this, yes, then you can be your own boss. But you know, a boss is not only a boss has a need skills. yes, and you need to know, you have the time management skill, you have the money management skill, yes, you need, yes, your leadership skills for yourself, yes, because you have to motivate yourself, and all this kind of stuff. That's the skills which has to be cultivated. So, and that is how you get out and get money. After this, yes, and you have skills, because you know here, individual or business receives, yes, through a skill or investing capital. So when you have the skill, then the money is coming. And the problem here is why so many of you are doing bad decisions is that is this problem, that's because they have no money. Yes, if you have, it's the same thing like this. Those one who do good decisions with money are those one who don't care about the money. And why? It's the same thing like, for example, if you are underwater. Yes, when you are outside of the water, yes, you have a lot of oxygen, a lot of air, and you can breathe really good. And you don't think not even 1 second about air. But as soon you are underwater and the breath is going out to end, then you are understanding, yes, and then you are thinking only about one thing, and that is air. And that is a problem. You are so focused on the problem on money that you are getting immobilized, and you don't even get the point that you have to find a job at least to get out of this, that you are only thinking about the money. As long as you think only about money, yes, you will not get out of this, yes, and you will stay poor for sure, because you are so narrowed and you don't even see the opportunities which are opening to you. So then, at the point when you get a job and you have an income and you can pay at least your bills, yes, and you have a little bit of clear mind, yes, then that will shift completely, yes, because then you have to use this time, because that is what most people don't understand. They think that yes, as soon as they have a job, it's okay, done. No, the job economy is dying. Yes, the jobs are dying. Yes, we are shifting from a job economy into a skill economy. That is the reason why everybody of you has to educate them properly, not only on trading, also learning some language or whatever. Yes, because the job economy is dying. The times of my grandfather, who died, who worked more than 40 years for a company, they are over. They are over. Forget it. So in this case, take the chance, yes, and learn skills as a side hustle. It's not easy. I know this. After 8-hour work, doing your side hustle, you do this only, yes, when you are really passionate. Only because you want it, not because of only because of the money. You do this only when you are passionate, because else the motivation will be not there. And most of the time, you don't know. But I was falling into the bed and dead, nearly dead. I could not even hold my eyes open. That was a side hustle. Yes, I was in front of the screen and trading, and my eyes falling closed because I was so tired. Sometimes I fall also with my head on the keyboard. And on the next morning, I had a crazy on my skin. Yes, you know, that was skinhead. That was really hard stuff. Yes, that was side hustle. So and then, because I get so many who are asking me and telling me, Benjamin, please, where do I find your videos in Arabic? Yes, where do I find this in this language? Do and learn the skill. That is the way. Yes, and learn the language. So. Because that is not even my mother language. So, and then the last one. Your skill will then pays then for your bills. Yes. Skill is the ability to use one's knowledge effectively and readily in execution or performance. The expertise or talent, and I can tell you, trading is not a talent. Yes, it's an expertise. That is a difference, yes, because talent is a singer or something, but you can learn to trade. Yes, it's an expertise needed in order to do a job or task, which results in earning money as byproduct. And that is what so many do not understand. The skill, yes, is the main, yes, and the money is a byproduct of the skill what you have earned. That means you have learned to trade, and the byproduct of the learned skill is money. And that is what you have to understand. And then, more skills you add to your toolbox, yes, more money you will earn. Yes, you stick up your skills. That's it. Yes, and then you get out of it, and then you don't need to get a job anymore, because then you are your own boss. Yes, and you make the rules for yourself. But this way here, I'm trying this to explain it already for 1.5 years. It's not easy, because you see this what it is. Taking action. Yes, and you will get a lot of distractions on the way to this. Okay, get this 3 steps to money. Yes, and obviously not easy, but this is it. And when you understand once that the skill which you are acquiring, yes, because you are investing in yourself, like I have explained here last week, yes, that you can become your own boss. Yes, that sounds in the first time when you listen to this, it sounds like, oh yes, it's my dream. Yes, but I tell you something, being your own boss, then you have also this kind of boss which I have explained before. Yes, you have to treat yourself really like shit. Okay, because you have to wake up always. You have to do that what you have to do. You have to do the trades. You have to do to educate you properly further. All this kind of stuff, you have to always put more into it, okay? And that is it. So, that was this one. I think it was clear. And yes, I hope I have opened your eyes how you can get out of the money problems. Obviously, you have to cultivate good habits, because else you will stay there. Because money, yes, if you have no money and you have problems with money, yes, then if you have more money, the problems will only become more. Yes, if you cannot keep $10, what do you think that you can keep $100? No, you will blow them away. Also, be realistic. Okay, so. And now we are going to that what everybody was waiting for. And we are going into the new playlist, and that is a price action candlestick pattern playlist, and this will blow your mind away. We are talking here about, I will give you the live chart of this kind of charts which I have drawn. Yes, I have done 2 this times because I have to show you this 2. Yes, it's the MS50 and the ES50 which are used in the BOTT Price Action indicator, which are high probability trading setups, yes, that are BOTT Sure Shots. So the BOTT Sure Shot 11, ES50 for the calls, yes, and MS50 for the puts. Price action patterns, candlestick patterns. So what do we have here? Yeah, I have prepared something more. Now that I tell you only about the MS50 and ES50. I tell you also about some other trades which you could do in this kind of chart, so that you understand how you use the BOTT price action concepts, which I'm explaining, and I have handled also in the ebook. There's in the BOTT Price Action Bible, and which I show you also in the video packs. Yes, so that you understand where to apply this stuff. Yes, because that is everything. So we are going through this, and at the end we have always this kind of BOTT Price Action indicator signal. Yes, and you can trade this also on your own, because at the end that what the indicator is doing. Yes, that is also that what you can do on your own. So in this case you will benefit from it a lot, because I will show you how it works. So first of all, here are some trades. You see this here, we have a process of elimination. This candlestick here is not breaking through this lower shadow, so we have a process of elimination with the closing price. So you do a call option on the next one below the closing price. Then this kind of candlestick here is because that is what happens often in the process of elimination. Yes, in the process of elimination, a lot of traders do not understand that the next candlestick can be when there is not really a trend, because you see this here, we are in a ranging market. That next candle can be always a doji. So if you do the process of elimination, it's really necessary that you enter above or below the closing price of the previous process of elimination, because the next candlestick can be a doji. If the next candlestick is a doji, you can enter on the next trade immediately, yes, into the trend continuation, because then you know the process of elimination has worked. Because when you have an evening star like this, and the next candlestick is a doji, yes, in the uptrend, then you know something is going here wrong, yes, it's in the wrong direction, then you can do immediately a call. That is a process of elimination. That's what, that didn't work out, and because it didn't work out, you expect the opposite, okay? Here we have a pullback. After this pullback here, the rejection from the support and resistance level and the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, call option on the next one. Then we have an exhaustion candle in conjunction with the hanging man. Here I didn't enter. Here don't enter after this. After this one exhaustion candle, don't enter, because it's not a real exhaustion candle, because it's immediately after the pullback. So you cannot enter immediately after this one. Yes, it would be risky. Yes, and we are too close to the 200 EMA. So many are getting so often trapped, because the next candlestick after it would be the closing gap to the 200 EMA. And then they say, oh, it's an exhaustion candle and I got a loss. Why, Benjamin? Why? Yes, why? Because this is what I have explained in advanced SNR. The 200 EMA is pulling the price in the direction. Not always, but most of the time. So stay away about those kinds of risky trades. So then you have the hanging man. The hanging man is a confirmation. This hanging man is a confirmation, so you do a put on the next one. So this one is not unfolding. Yes, that is really important. We have an uptrend. This candlestick is not unfolding because this candlestick is not breaking through it or not even closing close to the lower shadow of the previous candle, the hammer, the hanging man. That is a sign, yes, that something is not working here. The trend, downtrend here, the retracement is over. So you enter on the next trade into a call, yes. That is like here put, call, yes, because this doesn't work. So this here is not working out either, yes, and we are going more far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. So on the next candle into a put again, because this candlestick is not breaking through this one. Here again, process of elimination. So then we have this kind of candlestick, which is going down, is okay. So then we have again a weak candle, that is the same what we had here. This candlestick is the same what we had here. Let me show you. This one. Yes, this one here. Yes, you see, same size upper and lower shadow. When you have this, yes, then you have mostly a sign that the trend is going to reverse. So you enter after this spinning top, yes, into a call option, into a call because we are in an uptrend. That is the reason also here we have an uptrend. That is the reason why we have here much more bullish here calls than puts. Understand this. Most of you do not get the point. You have to trade in the direction of the trend. Yes, and that means when you have an uptrend, you should find more call options than put options. If you find more put option in a chart where it's an uptrend, that means you do the analysis wrong. Understand this. Yes, most of you don't get not even the most simple stuff. So then, that was a reversal sign here because of the weak candlestick. Call on the next one. So then there are some candlesticks where nothing happened. Here, then we got this kind of candlestick which is not breaking through this level. And we are still in an uptrend. So this is a sign that we have here also buying pressure because of the lower shadow. Yes, so you enter on the next candlestick into a call again. So then we have here again the closing at the 200 EMA after a doji. Yes, and then you enter here onto a put. So now it's coming the ES50. The E50 is the evening star 50%. So this evening star 50%, that is one of the really reliable concepts, yes, but you have to trade them properly, and that is this one. When this kind of trade appears, then the trading direction of the ES50, yes, is always up. Yes, why? Because you have the evening star, here's the evening star, the evening doji star, yes, but it can be also a normal evening star. You have the evening star, and that is obviously at the end of an uptrend. Yes, that is this one. So, but when you are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band and you have this kind of market condition where we had already here the 2 deviation and we are here already more closer to the 1 deviation, that's the upper 1 deviation, then when this evening star is happening and the third candle, and that is also something what I have explained in the evening star videos, yes, watch it, where I have shown you the power of the different types of evening stars, yes, and that makes part of this, yes, but I have only explained which kind of candlesticks are weaker and not weaker. This one here is opposite trade. Yes, because the evening star, what would be the trade of an evening star? Yes, normally, the trade of the evening star normally would be nothing else than a trend continuation. Here's a put option. Yes, because after the evening star, you have to expect a downtrend coming up. So in this case, when the candlestick is stopping at the 50% level of this first candle, yes, and that is not only valid for the evening star, but the evening star is really reliable. You can do this also for the engulfing candle. Yeah, but for the evening side it's really reliable. Then, because the trade direction of the ES50 is up, yes, you have to confirm only one thing. You need to confirm only one thing. What do you have to confirm? You have to confirm, yes, if the major trend is in the direction of the trade direction of the ES50. And if the ES50 is, the trade direction is up, yes, is in the same direction like the major trend, then you execute the trade. So easy, yes, because the next candlestick will then most probably, yes, with a high probability, a bullish one. So when does this not work? This doesn't work on tiny candlesticks, yes, really tiny candlesticks, because 50% of a tiny candlestick is still nothing. Yes, if you try to divide 0, yes, at the end will come out 0. So don't do this on tiny candlesticks. That is number one. Yes, and the second thing is you need a good trend. It should be clear. The 20 EMA should be up if you have this kind of EMA crossing. If you have this nice alignment, it's already enough that you have them right aligned. Yes. Okay. Then that is really important. So what would be the opposite? The opposite would be here. You see this also something similar. Yes. But the thing is this is here it works out too, but only that we finish up as a doji. But here was also the process of elimination. That's the reason why I didn't want to take this. What also important is in this case with the ES, the evening star 50%, when you trade this in a ranging market, then you cannot use it. Yes, in a ranging market, the ES50 is not working because what we do here, and now get it in your head, what we do is nothing else than using this level here as support level to do a call option on support, in an uptrend. Okay, call option on support in an uptrend. That is what we are doing, and that's the reason why this kind of evening star 50% price action candlestick patterns ES50 BOTT Sure Shot 11 is working like a charm. Yes, because you do the trade in the direction of the uptrend. Yes, on the support level. Yes, and the 50% is the support level because this candlestick is showing this. So there are some hints, and I show you now some examples which you have to understand to get this kind of trades properly done. So the next one here, we have here an exhaustion candle. Yes, after the exhaustion candle you do a call option here. That are concepts which you should know. I'm not telling you here something new. I'm only referring to those things which you should know already. Yes, and if you don't know this, yes, then get the BOTT Price Action Bible, get the video packs and study this stuff to gain and earn this skill. Okay, so here we have ranging market. You see this here, Bollinger Bands are flat. Yes, they're flat. Ranging market reversal at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. So then we have here the morning star. Here we have a morning star, and then you can enter here into a call. You do a call option after this kind of candlestick because this is showing huge buying pressure in the ranging market. Because you know in the ranging market the price will reverse at the 2 deviation, at the 1 deviation, and at the middle Bollinger Band. So that you can do this call option, and after this we have a fake breakout of the 200 EMA. So now a lot of people would say, Benjamin, you cannot do this trade. You are trading against the key levels. There are two rules. The first thing is when the EMAs are flat, you can go trade against the EMAs, especially when you do a call option against the up-looking EMAs. Yes, and that is up-looking because we are in uptrend. Yes, then you can do this because then the candlestick will go straight. Yes, that's the reason why I show you this error. Yes, because we have ranging market, and because of the ranging market and the EMAs which are pointing up, I have explained it already often. You do call options against EMAs which are pointing up, and you do put options against EMAs which are going to break through. Yes, but when you want them to act as a change of polarity, you have to do call options like this one. Yes, call options on EMAs which are pointing up, and put options as on EMAs which are pointing down, because it's call option on support and put option on resistance here. This is put option on resistance, and this is call option on support. Okay, understand this? And both of them is the first one is pointing down, yes, or flat, and the other one is pointing up, and that was not flat. Okay, so call option here. Then we do some things nothing because it's not clear if the price will do here a reversal at the 1 deviation, so you stay out of the trade. So many of you don't know and don't understand that they have to stay out of a trade. Yes, they try to trade each and everything. Yes, I don't know if the devil would be behind them and is trying to hunt them. Yes. You have also to have the options. I have explained this, how it's called this, the state and the mindset of abundance. Yes, you have the option to leave. That means if you don't want this trade, then you don't do this. If you have the problem with the trading psychology, which I have explained before, with the money, you cannot let them go the trades. Then you have the miss out of opportunity. You think you will miss the opportunity of a trade because you are in this kind of scarcity mindset, and then you do bad trading decisions. Trading this candlestick would be a bad trading decision because you don't know what's going on. You don't know if it's still the ranging market will still hold or not. Yes, you have to do only the best possible trading decisions. And when you're starting this with the trading, then apply this also on your life and doing only good decision in life. So this trade you don't trade it. That one you don't trade too. This could be traded as a higher high, higher low stuff. Yes, but it's also not necessary, because you see here are so many trades which you can do which are really high probability. Why you should trade this one, yes, which is not so sure. Yes, because we have here already touched the 2 deviation, and you know, if you don't know if the ranging market is over or not. Yes, so then after this we have the process of elimination. That is the case to do the put option here. Yes, after this one you do a put option here, because this candlestick was showing the trend has lost momentum. Most of you are not willing to wait to see if the trend is losing momentum. That's really important. You need evidences, and when you have evidences in conjunction with the concepts which I'm teaching, yes, then you can go into the next trade, and then you can be confident. Most of you are not confident because they trade this stuff here in between, and this goes wrong. Obviously that you don't get confidence because your trading decisions are wrong. So then we have this kind of stick here, which is not breaking through the upper, the closing price of the previous one. We stay still in this kind of box range. Yes, it's still trapped in this kind of candle. So you can do, because of the process of elimination, because this candlestick shows that it's a put option again. Yes. So because we have here still something was looking a little bit like a ranging market, but still with the alignment of the uptrend. There is still the uptrend, yes, but it's still some kind of ranging market part. That is the reason why we have so many retracements. Then we get this one here. This is a sure shot. Yes, to do a call option after this huge candle. I call this exhaustion, but it's not an exhaustion candle. It's also only an ultra huge candle. The difference between an exhaustion candle and other candles are, I show this. Yes, because so many don't understand this. First of all, this is at the beginning, and there was no trend before. Exhaustion candles are at the end of a trend. You can say, for example, this one here is an exhaustion candle, because this candlestick is bigger than this. Yes, this is smaller than this, and this is bigger than this. That means that is an exhaustion candle. Also, if it doesn't look like an exhaustion candle, but this is an exhaustion candle because the candlesticks got already smaller after a bigger one, yes, and then it gets big again. That is exhaustion. Yes, so many don't understand this, but you need also a trend before. I call this here exhaustion. This one here, I call this exhaustion, but it's not really an exhaustion. This is also not really an exhaustion. It's only a huge candle in relation to the other ones, but I call this exhaustion only to make it clear to you, because else I would have written here big candle, big candle, big candle. Also this one here is not an exhaustion candle, yes, but I call this like this, yes, but it's not really, because the exhaustion candles need a trend before, and then the candlestick has to be smaller and then bigger. Yes, that is the last tentative of the buyers or the sellers. Okay. Then we have here this huge candle. After a huge candle, you can go into a call option immediately without thinking. Yes, if you have the alignment of the EMAs like this. If you have not the alignment of the EMAs like this, then you don't go into this, because the next candlestick would be most probably what? A bearish one. Yes, but because we have this alignment, that means the EMAs are all upwards. Also the 200 EMA, so the next candle will break through it as a fake breakout. Yes, that is how you can imagine and find out the fake breakouts. So then the next trade you don't do, because you don't know what, if it was only a retracement back to the 1 deviation, you don't know this. Yes, so you don't do this. You trade only those one where you know what's going on. So then we have here again a candlestick which is going here through the EMAs like a butter, a knife through butter. And then we have yes, then you can do a call again, because then what do? You use the 20 EMA, yes, as a support level, yes, or even the 50 EMA as a support level to do your call option on support in an uptrend. Yes, here you have the uptrend. So then the next candlestick will not be traded. Then we have a doji. Yes, you could do the trade after this one, but you see it happens often. Yes, when you are doing these trades against the major trend, and the major trend is up. Yes, then you have to be careful that you get, after exhaustion candle, also a good entry point above the closing price. And most of the time after an exhaustion candle, there is coming up a doji, a bullish doji, yes, or a bearish doji. It doesn't matter. It comes up a doji. So it's important that you get a good entry point. And if you don't get a good entry point, you stay out of the trade. Don't enter into this trade like a monkey. Oh, exhaustion candle. Oh, yes, no. So then the next one is a put. Yes, because you see it doesn't broke through the key level. That was a confirmation that will not happen. The EMAs are still relatively flat, yes, and then happens the 50 ES50, the evening star 50. That is the evening star here, evening is doji star again, and then we have the 50. So, and then you enter into this trade only, again for those one who don't get it, if the major trend is in the direction, yes, of the trading direction. The ES50 is up and the MS50 is down. Then you enter only into this trade. So, and that's it. That was this one. Okay, now we are going into the next one, and that is what is prepared here. This is a MS50. Yes, and here is also one of those examples really important because that will happen often, and I will explain this more in detail now. First of all, we have here this kind of conditions. Here we have the MS50. So we have the consolidation area, and somebody asked me, how can I identify a consolidation area? You identify the consolidation area as soon you have a reversal pattern, and the reversal pattern is not unfolding. That means it's not doing that what you expect from the reversal pattern. Yes, then you know we are in a, or we are going into a consolidation area. Because as soon the candlestick patterns are not working like that what they should do, and they are still on the same level, that is what consolidation is about. So red, green, yes, and because the previous one doesn't work out, yes, you enter on the next candlestick into a put here above the key level, yes. So this candlestick is not unfolding, it's not breaking through it, so you do the consolidation trades like I have explained in the consolidation trading playlist. Put, call, yes, so then you can do another put here if you are risky, yes, but I have explained this already, yes, don't do this too often. After 4 times, after 6, 8 times, you have always to think that is nothing else than a doji. And this doji will end after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, like the other time frames. Okay, so don't do this. And if you want to do a trade, then try to do the trade in the direction of the breakout. That is what I have done here. Yes, a put option after this hammer. Yes, this hammer was the sign. Yes, and then you could do the risk, then trading a put option after it. Yes, because this is a showing that the area was already conquered and it has broken through the lower parts of the previous one. So it was showing that it is selling pressure. So you do put. Yes. Then we have here a retracement back to key level to the consolidation area, like I have explained. So you do another put after it. That here is coming now. So then we get here a weak candlestick in between. You don't trade it because it's not clear what will happen next. Yes, here you don't know this because we are already in ranging market. Don't trade this one. But after this one here, which is doing again the retracement back to key level to this level, you can go again into the put. And that is really important. What so many of you don't understand is that you do the trend continuation also in the ranging market only after the retracement candle. Only because most of you are entering immediately into a trend continuation. Most of you are entering after a huge candlestick immediately into a trend continuation, and then they get hit by the retracement. Yes, that is it. Then you get hit by the retracement if you do this. And that is a problem. Yes, you have to wait for the retracement candle. And then you enter into the trend continuation. Because you see, we have a major downtrend. Here's the 50, here's the 100, somewhere here is the 20, somewhere here is the 100, and somewhere here is the 200. That is a downtrend. That is the reason why you find here more put options than call options. Yes, and the call options only there where it's clear. So this put option is okay, yes, because this candlestick is not doing anything, it's only a retracement back to key level, inside bar. So you do a trend continuation here. So this trade here, this trade you do only because here we are in the range of the master candle. This candlestick is not breaking through the low or the closing price of this candle. That means we are here still trapped in the master candle. It's not breakout. So you can do the call option here. Yes, that is a breakout, the retracement, yes, the continuation, and the reversal. BOTT Sure Shot combo. That's the reason why he's written the BOTT Sure Shot combo. Yes, continuation and reversal. If you don't know this, watch these videos. So then we have here an evening star. These are evening stars which you should not trade. This kind of tiny candle stuff, I have explained this already. Tiny candles are not telling you anything. So avoid it to do a put option after an evening star, yes, which looks like this. Avoid this kind of candlesticks. Yes, because I see this always. The people don't know what they have or what they can do because they are so desperate searching for trades that they trade also the biggest bullshit. Yes. So here again, this is not to trade because it's too tiny. This is too tiny. What kind of significance has this candle? No. Yes. So in this case, don't trade the next one. And you see also that was also a small one. So it would have burned you anyway. Getting an entry point above the closing price here would have been really difficult. Avoid those kind of trades. You have to switch your brain on before you do the trade. It's the same thing like when you are sitting in the car and you are looking forward, you have to look what the car is driving in front of you, what he is doing. Yes, and that is the same thing with the candlestick. You have to look what the candlestick, the next candlestick would be do or could be. And when you have tiny stuff here, then the next candlestick will be most probably also tiny and risky. So avoid this. So then the next one is a put. Yes, because this candlestick has not shown that there would be happening something different. Yes, so you stay in the direction of the major trend. Yes, and you go into the direction. The Bollinger Band is pointing down, so you know it will be most probably broken through this, break through this. So then, again, an exhaustion candle, which is not an exhaustion candle. You should know this now. It's only a huge candlestick, but I have taught this exhaustion. So then on the next one, you enter into a call option, yes, because of the huge candle. That is a blind trade, yes. You can be the biggest monkey, yes, but when you do only this trades, you will be profitable, yes. If you do this trades with these huge ones, yes, you have only to wait for these candlesticks here, yes, for this one, the big ones, and then you do the opposite trade and you will make money. It's nothing what you have to study for. Yes, you don't need to go buy my book. You don't need to watch my video packs. You don't even need to get the BOTT Price Action indicator. You don't need to get anything. Yes, you do trade only this kind of big candlestick, and you will make money. Yes, so the question is how you make money. Okay, it takes time to get this kind of opportunities because so much big candles are not so common. But it would be easy to do becoming profitable only by doing this. And the same stuff is valid for other stuff. Yes, so. Only to make it clear that it's not magic what I'm explaining here. So then the next one. So that was a call option only because it was a huge candlestick. Also my dog could do this. So then the next candlestick is complicated because then you should know the tweezer's bottom. Here we have a tweezer's bottom, yes, which is in confluence rejecting from the Fibonacci level. So you do a call option here because you know here is no man's land. This is the area between the 161.8 Fibonacci level, yes, and the 100 level of the Fibonacci level. So there is nothing. That is ranging market. And what do you do in ranging market? You follow the minute trend. So then, now it's happening. Now we have the MS50. The MS50, ding, yes, now it's coming the alert. And what should you do only to confirm this trade? To confirm this trade, you should do only one thing. The trade direction is down, yes, because the MS50 trade direction is down. You need to confirm only if the major trend is down too. You look here, the EMAs are looking like they should. Yes, the price is below the 20, the 50 is above the 20, the 100 is above the 50, and the 200 is above the 100. That is downtrend. So what do? Put. So easy. Yes, sure shot. Yes, BOTT Sure Shot 11, MS50, bam. But in the direction of the major trend. So then this candlestick, yes, is not breaking through any kind of level. This candlestick is not even getting down here to this level, which would be also a resistance level or support level. Yes, in this case, this candlestick is showing, we have here the BOTT Sure Shot combo. So you do a call option on the next one, do the trend continuation following the minute trend in a ranging market, because now we are going into a ranging market because this candlestick here has taken all the energy out of it. So now I show you this again to the BOTT Sure Shot combo. Breakout. You see that also the 50% goes in confluence with this one. Breakout, 2-bar retracement back to key level. Yes, and then because this candle stops there, was the signification that this candlestick is respecting the 50% level of the huge candle. And this is also important, only from huge candle. Yes, also only from huge candle. Or you have huge candles or you have a good trend. Both is okay. Yes, or you have tiny candles and a good trend, or you have huge candles and a not so good trend. But huge candles are important because I told this already, tiny candles has no meaning. Yes, you need good candlesticks, yes, which are looking like the other ones, yes, because else it's not no meaning. Okay, so that was this one here, a special one where so many get trapped, yes, because they don't understand what the trend is about. So we have here now this kind of market, this ranging market. We are coming from an uptrend. We are going to ranging. That is what you should look and what you see on your own. You see the EMAs and you should understand immediately we are coming from an uptrend. We are going ranging and now we are going into a downtrend. Why we are going to a downtrend? I have explained this in my last candlestick, advanced candlestick analysis videos. We have the 20 EMA approaching to the 50. When the 20 is going to approach the 50 downwards, that means we have a trend change on higher time frame. And that is a special case why I have taken this picture here, why I have drawn this for you, yes, to make it clear to you that it's mostly also if the EMAs are pointing different, yes, you need to understand what they are telling you. Okay, let's go till we get to this point. Here we have the reversal at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band because we are in a ranging market. The continuation after the reversal pattern here. The Dragonfly Doji at key level. You see here, that is the 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. Where does the price reverse in a ranging market? At the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, and at the middle Bollinger Band. I'm not telling you something new. I'm telling you always the same stuff. Get it in your head. So then here, trend continuation, then you, this kind of candle you avoid because there is, you don't know what happens. Yes, because you have still an uptrend touch. Yes, because the EMAs are still there. So then here, the next one is a breakout. Here, you understand one thing. Here you understand one thing, that we are now going into a downtrend. Yes, after this candlestick is breaking through this candlestick is breaking through the 20 EMA, that is a sign that we are going now into a downtrend, because else the price would stay above the 50 EMA. And obviously it will not go immediately in a straight line. It will do now here some hackback. Yes, but the thing is this, here you understand we have a breakout and now we have a trend change because this candlestick would not else break through the 20 EMA. Okay, so then the next one is a put option because you use the 20 EMA as a resistance after it's got a breakout. And because we have ranging market, you can do this easily following them in a trend. So this candlestick is again a huge candlestick, yes, which is stopping at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, and most of you think this would be a breakout. This would be a breakout of the 1 deviation. So many are trading this like it would be a breakout and do then the trend continuation. And they forget that this is not a breakout. Especially not when the Bollinger Band is pointing up. When the Bollinger Band is pointing up, yes, and the next candlestick is forming, you can bet that when the next candlestick would be a bullish one, it breaks through the 1 deviation. It will not hold. You can do only put options on deviations or EMAs which are pointing down. That's the reason why you get here this fake breakout. Yes, that is the reason why anyway fake breakouts happen. Yes, I have explained it in the fake breakout videos, get it? And also in the BOTT Price Action Bible, the fake breakout stuff, the railway track, the inbound, the outbound, all this kind of fake breakout. I have explained them up and down, up and down. So then we have this candlestick here. Yes, that is again a retracement back to key level, and after the retracement back to key level, you enter on the next candle into the continuation of the BOTT Sure Shot combo. This continuation of the BOTT Sure Shot combo is not unfolding because we are in ranging market. Here are everything there is no trend. That means it's like in the without gravity. You are without gravity. The market doesn't know where to go. And that's the reason why the BOTT Sure Shot combo is working. Yes, because there is no trend in this kind of area. Okay, so then next one is the reversal of the BOTT Sure Shot combo. Yes, breakout, retracement, continuation, reversal. Watch it. Yes, you see, this stuff is based on the things which I have explained to you already. Okay, so then the next one, you don't do this trade because you don't know what's happening, because this is a master candle and you don't know what's going on here. Yes, what will happen next? Because there is no gravity, there is nothing what pulls. Yes, because it's a ranging market. So you don't do this. So the next one you do. Why? Because this is again the process of elimination. Why? And that is something what somebody asked me. This candlestick is not breaking through the level of this upper shadow. It's not the next one, because most of you don't understand that the things which I'm telling are not only to bite up on the things which I'm showing you here, and when I explain it, you have to switch on your damn brain and understand that you have to use this also in other concepts. That means it's not only the process of elimination when the previous candle, yes, here, for example here, the previous candle is not breaking through it. No, also if it's 3 or 4 candles away, because this level here is still a key level. And that's the reason you do a put option, because of the process of elimination here. Yes, because this candlestick is not breaking through this level. And that's the reason why you're entering on this next candle into put. But why? Because we are still in a ranging market. If we would be in an uptrend, strong uptrend, with the EMAs like a steep, you don't do this. Yes, because then the next candlestick could be a bullish one. Okay, understand this. So after this, you don't do this trade here. Yes, because you don't know, you could do this, but you don't know. Yes, and you don't need to trade each and every candlestick you see. There are enough trades to do, you know. So then we have here what? Evening star. So this is the evening star. So that is what happens in the evening star when you have the evening star in a ranging market with going into a downtrend. Yes, when you see that you have an evening star which is doing the fake breakout of the 20 EMA and we are going into a downtrend, then you can go into a put trade, yes, without any kind of confirmation through a EMA, because here we have now the perfect formation for an evening star. The evening star is reinforcing the downtrend. This fake breakout is confirming this downtrend. Yes, this up lower shadow is meaning nothing. Yes, because you are now working here. This lower shadow of the candlestick pattern is reversing against the evening star and against the major downtrend which is shifting. So you can go into the put option on the next one easily, because you know now here is the start of the downtrend. Yes, now it's going to be the strong downtrend. So then you go the next one, you don't trade because this candlestick here is not breaking through the levels here of this one here. Here, for example, this one. Yes, you don't. It's not breaking through it with determination. You are still in this Bollinger Squeeze area, so you don't trade it. This one you don't trade because you don't know. You could do this lower low, lower high in the direction of the trend. Yes, you could do this, but it's not so good because you see the 50 EMA is still pointing up, so it would be not the best decision. That's the reason why I didn't mark it. But now it's coming it. Then we get here a morning star. You see this? MS50, a morning star. Yes, it's not the morning doji star. It's not the morning doji star. Oh, it could be also a morning doji star, because at the end it's a tiny candles. But it's a morning star. So, and this morning star is stopping at the middle of this candlestick. Yes, and after this you do that what you have to do. Yes, and that is a put option. But first of all, you confirm if the trade direction, yes, the put option here, the trade direction, the put, because here MS50 put, yes, is going in the direction of the major trend. So those one who are a little bit, how can I say this, rigid, they would say, Benjamin, the 20 is above the 50 is above the 100, and the 100 is above the 200. That is an uptrend. Yes, it's a major uptrend, but we are shifting now. Yes, we are shifting. That is what you have to understand. The 20 is going against the 50. Yes, that means we are shifting on higher time frame. And that's the reason why this trades worked out. If it would be not the shifting and it would happen something like this, you can expect that on the next candlestick the higher high, higher low would work out. Yes, because this candlestick has broken through the 50 EMA and confirmed that we are above the 50 EMA. Yes, okay? So that was it. I think the things are clear. I hope I have blown away your mind with this kind of two things. Also that I have opened the eye for those one who have the BOTT Price Action indicator, how to use this kind of signals. Yes, because they are really reliable, and like I have explained this, you can make money only by trading this stuff only, yes, or you can make also only money by trading only this one. Yes, it's up to you, yes, but you should know and understand when they happened. So, and why? So that was this one. And now, yes, like always, if you have any kind of problems with the IQ option payout limitation, send me an email with the subject IQ option to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. The payout limitation is the 30%, the 48%, and the 60%. Don't trade when you have this one, yes, because your account in this moment when you get the payout limitation, your account becomes useless, yes. So for those one who want to get the BOTT indicator, and it will be only a small group, yes, because at the end it will be not open public, yes, only for a small group. I don't know when I will give it to the public, only for exclusively small group, yes. Then you send me an email with the subject BOTT indicator to get the hand on the amazing indicator, yes, which is doing and producing really nice results. Then the next one, For those one who want to get the money back from IQ Option, send me an email with the subject investment recovery to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who want to get into the bot team, yes, please be patient because at the moment I have other stuff to do, but you can apply for it. Send me an email with the subject job to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who have any kind of suggestion for any kind of video, send me an email with the subject suggestion and then an explanation what kind of video you could be useful for you. Then those one who find my content somewhere else, yes, and people who scam with my content other people, send me an email with the subject copyright, yes, and then the user or the evidences, and then when I get rid of them, you get the money reward from me. So then for those one who want to join the BOTT Mentorship program, you can still do this, but you have to hurry. Yes, it's sending me an email with the subject BOTT Mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who want to understand the concepts better, yes, there are the video packs. Video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium one, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. These video packs show you what kind of trades were good, bad, what you should do better, what you should look for, and what you should avoid. That are the things. That is the wisdom, yes, which I have gained in years of experience, transferred to you through these videos. These videos in the video packs has nothing to do with the videos on the YouTube channel. I tell you this again, because so many of you think that these videos are the same. No, they are not the same. So then for those one who want to get the foot into the binary option and the trading world, yes, and want to understand, because I told this already so often, don't invest in anything what you don't understand. This book, yes, the BOTT Price Action Bible, is the way to understand everything about trading. Here is everything put together, and you don't need to search and look and search for everywhere else, because here the stuff that is working like a charm. So, and then obviously you need to apply this, and then obviously the BOTT Price Action Guide, which is only the overview, yes, based on illustrations. Okay, so that was it already. And like always, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel now. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section, yes, or if you want to win BOTT prize money, simply drop a line in the comment section. So, and those one who has told me the 3 things what they come in mind when they think about me, contact me also, because you got the money too. Okay, I would say that was it. Bye bye. Stay safe and bye bye.